If you fish for trout in the winter, this fly is a must-have. We'll start off with some olive thread, snap the excess free, grabbing some brassy wire. Here I'm using chartreuse. Insert the wire into our glass bead and secure it tightly. Continue securing our wire to the hook shank well into the bend of the hook. If you want to see the exact materials used in any of these patterns, you can check them out in the comments below. Once we reach the back of the fly, we'll reverse directions and start building up a thread transition towards our bead. Next, grab your wire and begin to wrap this in open spirals towards our thread, ensuring that each wrap is evenly spaced. Secure the wire by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind the wire and helicoptering the excess free. To increase durability as well as shine of this pattern, you can coat the back of it in UV resin. Once happy, fix in place with a UV light and grab some chartreuse crystal flash. Fold over the flash, creating 2 or 4 loops, whatever your preferences are, and secure them just behind the bead. Ensure you secure it tightly and snip the excess free. So we'll grab some olive dubbing. Here I'm using one with some UV fibers. Create a dubbing noodle and begin wrapping it just in front of our crystal flash wing. Once happy, secure everything in place by whip finishing and snip your thread free. Finally, brush everything out to give it a nice, buggy look. I like to use this fly both in the winter as well as the spring months. If you don't tie and want to try this out for yourself, you can pick it up from my website below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.